Hi folks, this is Mary. I would like to show you a Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyperlight 2.3 RBHL. This is a great unit. It just looks really sharp. You do have a power jack, which is very helpful. Then as you look at the stairs when you're going into this unit, it's a solid step stairs. This just makes loading your unit so much better. I feel like when you have groceries in your hands and you're trying to load your unit really quick to go on a camping trip after work, you just don't want to mess with wobbly stairs. So that is a great option there. And then if you look around on the back, you've got a rack. This is going to be helpful for your firewood, for those extra bikes that you want to take along. Pretty much anything that you're going to want to take is just going to be helpful to have a place to store it on the outside. Then as you look at the inside, you've got lots of counter space, which is so helpful when you're cooking in a small area. To have more counter space is helpful. Then if you look at the walk around queen size bed, that's always really popular. People really like to be able to walk all the way around the bed and to have a lot of room there at your feet. You've got hanging storage on both sides of the bed, so that's an extra little addition there. The bathroom is great. You've got a mirror up on the top. You've got a vanity, a toilet. Then you've got your shower with glass around it. You don't have to have a shower curtain. This is a really good unit. You've got a skylight in the middle to bring in some extra natural light to this unit. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call me. My name is Mary. My direct number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.